Hello, welcome back to the channel. Coming up in this episode.
This is going to be something amazing. There's no one behind me. And just take that in.
Well, you know this is going to be good, so let's get into it. Cue the intro.
Okay, so I've pulled over and I've got internet and I haven't gone the wrong way, so let's be honest, pure luck. But it's raining, not moaning, it's raining. Anyway, 3.6 miles down here, we turn right. We're going to be there in 8.6, so it should all be good. So happy days. Let's keep going. Let's get to this pass. I'm excited I've not gone the wrong way because I've done so many miles to get signal. I was like, if it comes on then, it says it's like another 30 miles. I was going to give up and just go, I'm going to go find something else to do. But we're on the right way, so let's get going, and hopefully this rain cloud we're going that way towards the sun, so hopefully we'll escape it. Hopefully, we'll see. Well, here we are at the beginning of Buttertub Pass, and do you know what? Himalayan, beautiful pass. What can be better other than beautiful sunshine? Would be nice, but it's England, and we don't care. So we're going to ride it. You're going to join me for the entire pass, and we're just going to have a giggle. So, ladies and gentlemen, let's find out what the Himalayan's like on this stunning pass. I could already answer that and tell you amazing, because so far this bike has been amazing. Let's go though. Nothing behind me, nothing in front of me. Bliss. Go, go, go! Look at that! Oh, look at that! Beautiful. Look at these bends coming up. This is going to be something amazing. Let's see how you do, Himalayan. Let's see how you do. Oh, look at that. It leans beautifully. It feels like the most nimblest kind of adventure bike I've had the pleasure of actually riding, to be fair. Beautiful. Yeah, it's the boys. It's all the boys. Look at that. Just out of this world. Woohoo! Oh wow. Oh wow, this is a place to stop to grab a photo. Definitely. Just look at that for just... I'm going to stop just for a sec. There's no one behind me. And just take that in. That is just absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Just wow.
Our eyes are closed when we start this loop on repeat. Hear my chest, how it beats when you put your hands on me. Time goes fast, but yet so slow. I leave all thoughts, yeah, I let them go.
Wow.
'Cause I'm here with you, and all I need.
Pretty sure this is the top because we're starting to head down. It's just fantastic. And again, I don't need to go quick. I don't need to bomb it down here. Oh look, sheep. It's like being in Wales. I can just enjoy it. Just absolutely enjoy it. Just, oh, look, right next to the edge. Woohoo! Oh, beautiful. Beautiful. And how often do you get to see a view like this? Top of a ridge. That Himalayan is the handling. Honestly, it's just creme de la creme. I need to look where I'm going, but I just want to look at the beautiful view and the side of the mountain and just looking down there. It is just spectacular. Do you know what? I think I'm just going to turn around. Get myself a little photo just there. Yeah, let's turn around. See if I can get a photo. If not, we'll turn around again. We've got all day to enjoy this. There is not a rush. I mean, again, look at it. That is, magnificentio. But, yeah. I don't like it. Oh, shit. Just want a photo. Just want a photo. Just want a photo. Don't fall over. Don't fall over. Don't fall over. Just want a photo. Yes. Whoa. Don't trip over. Okay. That looks cool. Right. No one whispering. Let's get the best thumbnail in the world. Okay, Alan. Here we go. Mountain rider time. Okay. We got the photo. Oh no. My gloves are in the back. What a donut. Let's turn it around. I can't leave it here. I need a bit of a thingy first. I need a flat spot. Let's turn around down here, actually. It looks more flat down here, doesn't it? I kind of could do this all day, couldn't you? Up and down here. I mean, this way's nice too. Oh, yes. Oh, that lamb. Oh, wow. Oh, yes. Just, this is the flat bit, innit? This is the bit that will do it. Well, here I am on top of the Buttertub Pass, and do you know what? I'm going to be completely honest and just say straight out the bag that Hard Knock Pass in the Lake District is a lot better than this, but it does look stunning and the view is amazing. Forget the rain, forget the wind, just sitting here staring at that view is just, it's just gorgeous. It's absolutely gorgeous, and it's worth the trip just to see it. Well, we got our photo opportunity done there. That was really cool. Let's just keep going on this passage. It's fantastic. I just smashed the lens on my Osmo trying to capture a little corner shot as well. So that's that out of action. But hey, we've got backup, so it's all good in the hood. Get one of those new lenses ordered. But look at this. We're going to the top, baby. This has got to be the top. Oh, look at it. Wow, it's like you can see the cloud level. We're not quite at the cloud level, but you can see it's not far away. Spectacular, absolutely spectacular. What a ride. So the Himalayan is handling this with absolute ease, isn't it? I mean, it's going to. It's good tarmac road. Yeah, okay, there's what, 20% gradient up, but this is all low down torque bike. It's got no issues at all. I mean, oh, it just keeps giving, doesn't it? Look at it. Oh, this road keeps giving. And the Himalayan, though, agile, hassle-free, legit motorcycle, just does it all. And if I could gun it, I know I could have even more fun. But again, the joys of running in. How many times am I going to say that in one day? Right, let's keep going. Let's enjoy every second of this. Every second. Woohoo! Ladies and gentlemen, the Yorkshire Dales. The best tea is Yorkshire tea. This is the Yorkshire Dales, and this is its finest. I mean, butter, boom, butter, bing. That is something very, very special indeed. Buttercup Pass, that's worth a ride if you're anywhere on holiday, checking out the Yorkshire Dales. This is definitely up there in the scenic, beautiful thing. And I reckon on a beautiful, sunny day, when it's not raining and cloudy, it would be an entire new level. Now look, we can see sunshine in the distance, so that is calling us. We've got to find some more sunshine today. But even still, Himalayan, you are definitely exceeding expectations for normal ride quality, normal road ride quality as well. I thought I'd really feel the lack. Now, it doesn't have that sort of Honda, that Japanese kind of like smoothness, but it has this I'm going to do the job kind of sound to it and ride quality. And to be completely fair, it rides really well. As in, I actually think I quite prefer the point of actually hearing that rustle of the engine. And that bash plate, every once in a while you get that little stone chip and it hits it, and you go, do you know what? They've protected this quite well as well. Whoa, bump. Very, very happy. Well, that was Buttertub Pass. Done and dusted, people. We're coming to the end of it. We're going down. But that was picturesque. That was worth the 160-mile drive just to get here, and obviously the probably 35 to 40 we've ended up doing to actually find it. It was worth it because that was absolutely stunning. Absolutely stunning.